Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you are new here, my name is Kevin. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There's going to be lots of new weekly videos coming just for you. I made this video for apple eaters out there. For those who like to eat the apples with the skin to have some fiber throughout the day, this video is for you. So I want to show you guys something if you guys didn't know. This is what you should do before you wash your apple and before you eat it. Look at this. It's the white stuff, this wax. You sure you want to have this in your body? I don't think it makes the apple taste any better. Or does it? It's up to you to decide. If you guys don't eat the skin, you just peel off the skin. And having to scrape off all the wax. I'm too lazy to peel the skin, so I just do this. Give it a quick scrape. Some apples have more wax than others. I'm not even done scraping. This is, as you can see, this there's a lot already. Now I'm gonna wet my apple to see how much wax I can get, so I can show you. The reason they have this wax is just to preserve the apple from drying. And it looks nice in the grocery store. Nice and shiny, juicy apple. And it's not so bad. It's not the worst apple. It's not that much wax. So this is what you guys should do before you eat an apple, if you do eat the skin with it. Give it a quick final rinse. And you can even use dish detergent if you're scared of the coronavirus. There could be some corona on this apple. Just give it a little scrub. And then you should be safe to eat your apple. This apple's good. So juicy. Tastes a little bit like Dawn, but all good. Thank you guys for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button below. Come on, do it. And join my team and support me. I want to hit 1,000 subscribers. Help me out, guys. Thank you, and peace out. Man, I should really do ASMR with this apple. It'll be for my next YouTube video.